Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Dollar Tree DIY fall wreath. So let's go ahead and get started with everything that you will need. So I picked up this cute little hello fall sign and I thought it would look lovely with the wreath that I'm going to make. Alright, and let's move on to the next. You're going to need some jute twine, and there are 3 of them that come in one package at the dollar store. There you go, jute twine. You're also going to need one of these wreaths. It's a pretty good size. There you go, just to show you from my arm down. It's a pretty good size. You're also going to need one of these handy dandy hangers from the Dollar Tree. And the next item is a handy dandy glue gun. I have these just in case. I have 3 of them just in case I may need them and maybe not. Oh, can't go wrong with some of these glue sticks. You need some nice scissors and some beautiful flowers of your choice. Now I have these. That's one. Now I have these ones as well. They're like daisies. I don't know. Yep, there they go. Daisies. I have these other ones. Look at, they have the burlap. Isn't that pretty? And then I have some of these nice little, what are they, feathery, stringy things? I don't know. But on that little tag, it says what it is. All right. I got 2 of those. And then I also got some of these. Look how pretty they are. I thought this would add more nice little color to my wreath. I may and may not use it. Then I also have me a vine with some nice little fall leaves on it. I thought that would be interesting to put on the wreath. Look, this is what I got. This is what I got. So let's go ahead and get this little tag off. And I'm going to go ahead and figure out how I want to place it. So you figure out the right spot where you want it, you know, where you want to lay out everything. Of course, the wreath is kind of like a little, you know, the shape isn't very, very round. It is round, but it's not like a perfect round. And I'm going to glue this little thing because it was sticking out and I just didn't like it sticking out like that. So I'm just gluing that there. Letting it dry. Make sure it dries. All right, so see this wooden little bottom part? I'm just gonna do my best to try to take it off. And boy, I thought it'd be coming off pretty easy, but it really doesn't. Oh my gosh, I finally took it off. All right, so at this point, I'm just getting it and I'm just trying to figure out where I went to put my little signage. Now I'm going to get my handy dandy glue gun and go ahead and start gluing this little signage to this little wreath right here. Now, please excuse me because I have a very small glue gun. I need to get a bigger one, okay? But this is all I had right now. So you really, you know, got to make sure you glue that really good and hold it down and then let it go ahead and adhere to the wreath. So just hold it there for a few minutes or a few seconds or what have you until you know that it's nice and pasted on there or glued on there. And that's what I'm doing right now. All right, so now what I'm doing is I'm getting these nice little, remember I said I didn't know what they were, but they're these little feathery things. So all I'm doing is I'm bending them at the bottom so it'll fit along with the wreath. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this glued in using my handy dandy miniature glue gun. I will get me a bigger one, you watch. All right, and I'm gonna put it right here, making sure that it has enough glue so it'll stay. Now what I'm doing is I did glue the second feathery thing here, but I'm gonna go ahead and glue this part just straight. I want it to stick out a little bit, like off of it to the side, like just straight out. You see how I have one going this way and then the other one is going just a little bit off this way? That's exactly how I want it, okay? I want it kind of like a little off. By the way, guys, I do want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. I got these flowers here, and I'm going to go ahead and start attaching them onto my wreath. So here goes the first one. And I really think that these are so pretty. I don't know. I looked at them. Out of all the flowers they had, I thought these ones would do just perfect. Now I'm going to glue this little guy right here and just hold it down just to make sure that it adheres to the wreath. I'm going to go ahead and add the other flowers and just figure out how I'm going to place them onto the wreath. What I'm doing right here is I'm gathering the little flowery feather things here, and I'm just kind of like putting them just a little bit up against one another. So I'm going to be gluing some of these little stringy things. I don't know what you call it, but I'm putting the little stringy things with some glue so they'll all kind of attach together so they don't just be laying off. Now I'm just going to go ahead and you see these little springy things? I'm going to go ahead and cut some of these off just so that they could show some of these nice little feathers. I'm going to go ahead and get this nice little flower glued onto the wreath. And make sure you put enough of the glue on here. With this little tiny thing, I'm having a hard time, but it's okay because it's all fun. I'm going to put this one right here. I think it's starting to come out pretty nice, if you know what I mean. I like it so far. I'm going to show you how it looks just so that you'll go ahead and see. But I'm thinking it may need like another flower more on the right. Let's go ahead and get that on here with my beautiful little purple glue gun. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, if you want to get notified when I get new videos in, go ahead and click that little bell. And I'd be happy that once I hit a certain amount, I want to say like 1,000 subscribers, then I'm going to go ahead and I am going to do a giveaway. And so those of you who are already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and share with your friends. Tell somebody about it. And yeah, once I get that many subscribers, I will go ahead and do a giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. I know I said I was going to put it on the other side, but I thought that this side might need it. Alright. Looking good, looking good. I'm going to attach this one since it has like a little bit of that burlap on it. I'm thinking it might be better to put that one on this end. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that right there. I hope everybody's having such a wonderful day today. I know I am. I'm glad that I'm alive. Thank you, Jesus. And you know, everyone else, I hope y'all are having a wonderful, blessed day as well. I just want to say shout out to my new subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really, truly appreciate it. And I'm so thankful for it. And I'm going to glue this one right here. Look. I'm loving this. I really am. You know, fall is coming around. You know, and I'm just so happy that the weather is going to change. I'm tired of this heat, guys. All right. There it is. This is it. This is it. All right. I'm going to get this jute twine and just put it on here real quick. With my little glue gun, I just made it into a little bow and put it onto my pumpkin. I'm going to glue it down. And ta-da! Ta-da! Doesn't have to be very neat. Okay, let me fix it on here. All right. There, that's the way I want it. It looks so pretty. Look at that. If I could do this, guys, you can do it too. You know, I try my best to be a little crafty here and then. Or here and there. I'm going to take that off. And this one, wait, hold on. Okay, so, yeah, I think it looks good like that. All right, so looks like that's it. Wait a minute. Oh, I forgot I have these. All right, so let me go ahead and add some of these to it. You know, I didn't use those other things to hold anything down. What are they? Pipe cleaners. I didn't use any of those to hold it down. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some of these off. And I'm going to go ahead and glue them onto my wreath right here. And I'm just going to kind of like clip some here and there just to make it look like if they're kind of like wrapped, but I really didn't wrap them around the wreath. I wanted to at first, but then I'm like, nah, you know, I don't want so many so it's going to look too much, you know, too overpowering. So I'm just looking around to see, okay, well, I could glue one here, one there, clip a little bit off, and then reposition it somewhere else. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. And we're going to get this done. We are. There you go. Hey guys, let me know what kind of video y'all would like me to make. If it's more arts and crafts, DIYs, if it's more cooking that you'd like, maybe Italian, maybe, you know, just something other than Mexican food, or, you know, or you want me to go review a restaurant that we have here in Texas, San Antonio, Texas, let me know down in the comments. Put a comment down below. I love to hear nice, wonderful comments. Of course, you know, sometimes I do get some that are not so great, but it all goes with everything, you know. I do love wonderful comments. And, just like, hey, we need to be more positive. And that's what I want. I'm doing this channel because of that. I want to be doing something nice, positive. We all need some love here and there. And we need to see something fun and creative and, just letting you know, oh, look, this place, it's really nice to eat. Go over there. Tastes good. Maybe you haven't gone to that certain place. So right now I'm going to go ahead and dab this one over here onto the side of the wreath as well. But just let me know. Put your comments down below. I love my subscribers. I do want to say thank you very much. Thank you so much once again. All right, so let's continue on with this wreath. And let's see how much more I need to add just so that it makes me like, wow. Just to see how it's gonna go. All right, I'm gonna lay this one right here. Hey, if y'all made a fall wreath, let me know. I do also have a Twitter. There you go. There you go. You know what? I think that's it. I think this is it. Here I have it hanging here just so you could see. But it doesn't look as, bright here. So let me go to my door. And there you go. That's the final wreath. Yay! I did it. Yay! So thank you so much for your time. Please like and subscribe and see ya.